So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website quick and easy and really fast. Okay, in the end of the video, you'll be able to create a website just like this. You could, it's mobile responsive and you could create the website really fast. So the first thing is first, we're going to go install a web hosting. The reason I would recommend Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and also I have a 70% discount on this. Yes guys, just for you I have a 70% discount. The link is in the bio, the link is in the description, and you'll be getting 70% off. And in fact, you'll be getting a free domain, free SSL, one-click installation, 24/7 support just for around $4, and that's a really good deal. So first things first, just get started. Bluehost, I would select the recommended. I would create a domain, but I've already done that. So you put your domain name over here. For me, it's yavarkhan.com. And then I'm gonna fill up all the details over here, and I'm gonna select 12 months. And for me, I would always choose the site security and the SEO because I want to rank #1 in Google. So that's it. And once you have done this, submit. The easier would be sign in with Google, put in your card details and submit. I've already done that. And then once you're here, just click on Bluehost. You'll get an email confirmation. Once that's done, you just have to click on login. Once you're in your login, click on my sites. So I already have Yavar, but I'm going to create a new site. So that's what you have to do. I'll just show it to you again. Click on my sites. Okay. Click on create site. Put your site name. So it's going to be test. Site tagline, demo, site 1. Okay. This is my site name. So you need to put your site name. Click next. I won't install any of these right now. Okay. And then just click next. Okay. You need to wait for a second. And guys, congratulations. Because I have already the site, so I would be test 1. Okay, so guys, congratulations, you have already created your WordPress website. It's so easy from Bluehost, because again, Bluehost is one-click installation. So guys, I didn't even give my introduction. So if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews, so please consider subscribing. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a bonus, so just watch till the end. Okay, so once this is done, guys, you are done, guys. You have created your first WordPress website. Just click over here. And it's loading. So guys, this is how you create your WordPress website. Just let me log into the dashboard and I'm going to show it to you. So currently right now, this is our dashboard. If you just click on your site name, visit site, so this is how your website looks, and this looks so good, guys. So now the second thing you have to do is activate the website, because the reason for this is if I open this in incognito, it will show me a coming soon page. So this is what Bluehost doesn't let anyone see your website until and unless it's launched, but I'm just gonna launch it anyway. So just click over here on the yellow button which says coming soon. Okay, and just launch your site. So you have launched your site. Now the next thing what you have to do is come on settings, come on permalinks from plain. So currently right now, if I click on my post, it says some number, but I want to show it as post name just because for Google and SEO purpose, it will help you rank your website better in Google and save changes. Once this is done, so if I just refresh the page right now, I could see the post name, hello world. So now that's done. Now I'm gonna come on themes. I'm gonna install a theme. Okay, so because right now our website looks pretty white and looks very blunt, so I'm just gonna click on appearance, themes, and click on add new, and I'm just gonna type Astra. Okay, because why choose Astra? Because it's a free theme, so it's very easy to install as well. So once you click installed, click on activate, and if you refresh your website, the whole website would be changed. Wow, congratulate yourself again. Now just come on Astro options. Now you're going to make our website much more better looking. So now you're on Astro options, click on install importer plugin. Once this is done, guys, just choose Elementor. It's a free drag and drop builder. Click on next. And then I would just select free. And now I would select, so whatever, I would select this one, because, or this one looks really good. There's so many websites that look really good, but I'm gonna select this one for now. Click over here. Or so confused right now, but then I'm just gonna choose this one, preview, and then just import site. So depending on your internet speed, it's gonna take some time to install. So guys, it's almost done. It just took me 59 seconds. If I just click on view site, congratulations guys, this is how your website looks. So now you want to edit, you want to remove this picture, you want to add your own thing. So the best thing is edit with Elementor. Okay, it's a free drag and drop builder, really easy to use. And say let's create your first website. Really easy. I don't want to just right click delete. If I want a watch video, I could use my videos. I could click on my home. I could just copy the whole thing. I could paste it over here. Watch video, I can put the URL, update it. And it's, guys, is really easy. If I want to delete this thing, just click on this one, delete section. Delete section. It's so easy. If I want, right click and I can delete. It's so easy. Okay, and it's very easy, guys. I can click on update, I can view my website, and then as you can see right now, let's create your first website. If I click on here, it will open my YouTube channel. So it's mobile responsive, and now what I'm gonna do is edit this picture. Okay, so come on styles, come on, just click on these dots, style. I can just remove the picture, I can add some gradients, location, color. So guys, it's so easy to create this thing. Update. Want to change the logo? So to change the logo, guys, it's really easy. Come back to your dashboard. So all you have to do is come over here, click on exit to dashboard. So once I'm in my dashboard, click on appearance, Astro options. You can click over here and upload a logo. So guys, I've done a video on how to create a logo for free. You can create a professional logo for free. The link would be in the bio. And just to change the logo, so I'm just gonna save this one for now. Just gonna click on downloads, save. Okay, just change logo. I'm gonna upload my logo and select crop image, and this is how my website looks right now. I can increase the size, decrease the size. I'm just gonna publish, and yeah, this is how it is. So if I just hide control, look at this, the website looks so good right now. And also one more thing I'm going to show to you right now, how to add pages to your website. Okay, so it's really easy. First things first, click on new, create a page. So guys, creating a page is also really easy. So I'm going to create a about us page, just publish it. Okay, once I publish my page, I want to appear it over here, but as you could see right now, it's not appearing. So now all I have to do is go on appearance, click on menus, once I'm in my menus, so basically menus are these things. So now I could see my about us page. Again, click over here, add to menu and save menu, and once I refresh the page, I can see my about us page. So now you see the about us page is so weird. Don't worry guys, it's really easy to edit the page. Just click on edit page. Once you're over here, just click edit with Elementor. Elementor is a drag and drop builder. So once you're in your drag and drop builder, I would just select this one or go back. So they have pre-made templates as well. So I'm just gonna search about us page. I'm just gonna click insert. And that's it guys, this is how your website looks right now. Looks amazing. This is, you could put your picture over here, you could write down your skills, and that's it guys. This is how you create your own WordPress website. If you have any questions, please do comment, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Please consider subscribing guys. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and as I promised that I'll be giving you a free bonus. So if you watch the video till the end, so guys, I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. Okay, so step-by-step instructions. The link is down below, and I also tell you how you could make some passive money, okay, as a side hustle and make passive money out of it. So the link is down below, and please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video guys. And if you have any questions guys, please do comment. I would make a video out of it, and I'm here just to help you create a passive money, help you create, you know, your online brand. So thank you for watching again.